long term, we want to evolve Minecraft for everyone. And in the recent years, we focus a lot on creativity and exploration. So for this year, it's time to focus more on like combat adventures.
Oh mein Gott,
and
Combat
on
Updates.
tinkering.
My time has finally come. I am an adventurer.
Was kommt jetzt?
And next year, Minecraft turns 15 years old.
Wow.
I think it's really precious. And so we were thinking, wouldn't it be quite cool that after 15 years of Minecraft, it's time to test your skills in some new trials?
Trials.
Yes, trials. So we are adding a new, big, multiple room structure called the trial chambers.
Geil!
Ooh. And these trial chambers consist of like multiple new features, and they also have a unique visual style. So it's like when you are inside those chambers, it really feels like you're in a place you've never seen in Minecraft before.
They're amazing, and I think you need to show everyone.
Yes. Come join me to my realm, and we can meet some of the team members so we can see part of the new features coming to the update.
Yeah!
Good luck.
Hi Mosh! I see you found something rather
Your skin
epic
is
here.
scheiße. What the
Yes.
fuck?
I've been digging around our caves and I found a trial chamber.
Lovely! A big part of this update is that we really want to add new adventures for our more combat-loving players. And the chambers certainly include some exciting challenges.
So, what we're looking at here in the center of everything
Was soll das
is the
sein?
corridor. The corridor leads to different rooms, and it can lead to supply chests. You can find things that'll challenge you, but also things that'll help you.
The chambers are new structures that are combined of lots of different rooms. They are procedurally generated, so there is a lot of variation. And like it's so fun because each time we playtested, it felt like finding a new chamber. It was exciting each time. So there is a lot of replayability.
Don't follow me.
I really like the unique visual style we made in these chambers, and that was also something we really wanted to achieve. Like when you as a player find those chambers, you know you found something special. Sarah!
Oh, hey there, Agnes.
Wer ist denn das, Digga?
We are
Kill die.
surrounded by so many beautiful new decorative blocks.
Yeah, I think the tough block set will be a lot of fun to build with because of its geometrical design.
And copper gets more uses too.
Mann,
With the
zack.
copper set, we want to
Ja, wir
introduce a
haben's gesehen.
tinkered
Zack,
kind
neu
of
jetzt.
feel, and the new copper bulbs give players a fun way to light up their builds.
We actually just used
Oh,
some
the
of them in
copper
our
golem,
village, and
maybe.
it created such a cozy feeling.
Weil alles aus
I'm
Kupfer
honestly
ist,
so excited to see
Kupfer-Update.
what people build with these new blocks.
Copper Golem?
I'm just gonna take a couple of these grates.
I think it's so nice because we can use these new blocks to create exciting experiences, but then also all of you amazing players can just be like super creative and tinker with these blocks to build like anything you can imagine. Oh, here is one of the supply chests Mosh were talking
Hochschirm,
about.
was ist da drin?
Hi, Brandon.
Hey Agnes.
So nice. You're making it brighter in here.
Yeah, these copper bulbs, when they get oxidized, they get quite dim, but with this axe, I can actually scrape off the oxidation and make it brighter again.
I love that mechanic so much that like the more oxidized the copper bulbs are, the more dim the light will be. I think it's super interesting for storytelling.
Definitely, I don't even need to bring torches anymore to the trial chambers. I just bring an axe and light my way through.
Boah, das ist geil, das ist geil. Guck doch, was in der Truhe drin ist.
A trial spawner. Time for a combat
Oh,
challenge.
Postgem.
Yay!
Okay, I see ice blocks around the trial spawner, so it's definitely spawning strays. What's our plan?
Well, I will go ahead and scrape up some oxidation so we can see.
I'll just head in straight for the fight.
Das ist...
You ready?
Yes.
Let's go.
Digga, neue Spawner-Animation?
Oh no, so many
als ob das nur
strays.
die sind, Bro.
I'll take this one.
Was bitte, Digga?
Mwahaha.
Nice one, Agnes.
Yes!
Ah, he got me.
Mann, Digga, diese Voice Lights.
Agnes, we're covered in arrows.
Yay! Victory!
Wie geil!
Good job, Brandon!
So this is a trial spawner. It's actually a new variant of spawners, which adapts based on the amount of players that join the fight. It actually spawns a limited amount of mobs compared to a normal spawner.
Oha, Digga!
Yeah, we really wanted this to be a fun challenge both in single player and in multiplayer. And this is also why we both got some nice loot.
So you can see the smoke coming out of the trial spawner. That actually means that it's on cooldown, so we can come back later and play this all again.
Was?
Yeah, so
Geil.
don't break it. We want everyone on our realm to play the combat challenge.
Digga, neue Farben,
Alright, I'm
Bro.
up for more challenges. Wanna go to another room?
Soon, but first I'm gonna go to the village, but you go ahead.
Neue Dörfer!
Oh, hi!
Eu estou a caminho da minha maior aventura.
Oder what the fuck?
Wow, good luck!
Stell dich vor, Basti kommt irgendwie oder so, das wäre krass.
Papo, Agnes, ¿quieres una mascotita muy kawaii?
Oh, an axolotl?
Boah.
Of course I want it. Thank you.
Komm, Basti, bitte.
Oh, that's so pink and so cute.
The world could always use more color.
That's lovely. Corey, Oscar.
Hey, Agnes.
Agnes.
Wo ist Basti?
Hi. It seems like you placed a crafter here.
Yes, with the crafter you can automate crafting with redstone.
Was
It's pretty
ist
similar
Fick?
to a crafting table, except instead of pulling the item out yourself, you can use the redstone pulls to get it out.
I'm gonna have this crafter make hanging signs. Everyone can
was ist
decorate the
das?
village with them.
And let's place a button here.
Automatisches Craften.
I'll
Was?
press the button. And again.
Wow, Digga!
Yay, lots of hanging signs.
Mit F? Alter, das ist geisteskrank! Digga! Alter! Das ist krass!
Oh, hi.
빨리 내 키보다 더 쑥쑥 커졌으면
Bruder, was ist
좋겠어요.
jetzt los?
I hope so too.
Digga, sie hat nichts
Wow,
verstanden.
you've been busy.
Yes, I've been building an automated sword crafter, but instead of pressing a button, it just keeps on crafting infinitely.
We used the new toggleable slots to make sure that the hoppers place items where we want them.
Was? Digga, what the fuck, bro? Heilige
The
Scheiße.
crafter is so precious because you can both do these like really advanced contraptions, but it's also very welcoming. So
Das
we
ist
hope
für-
that it will be
ja, das ist für
delightful to use
Bootprank
both for like redstone
richtig krass.
beginners and redstone
Da kann man
experts.
einfach alles dieselben, außer so wie Boot sein soll, einfach nur Holz.
Before you head out, make sure to grab some armor.
Digga, das ist geisteskrank für
thank
Bootprank.
Yeah, that's perfect. We're about
Ich
to
muss
head down
nichts
to
mehr
the
machen
trial
dann.
chambers.
Gar nichts mehr.
Woohoo! Shabam!
Oh
Okay,
yeah.
das geht schon immer,
Now
Bro.
this will be a breeze.
It's Magnus!
Ready to fight the breeze?
Oh yes!
Breeze?
I'll let them take care of that.
skill.
Huh?
The breeze
Was?
is a
Was?
playful
Was?
hostile mob
Was?
that jumps
Was?
around and uses wind to provide a combat encounter unlike any other in Minecraft.
Digga, wie geil!
I just got hit by the wind charge.
Bro!
A burst of energy from the breeze.
The wind charge doesn't deal any damage when it bursts and blows things away, but it does deal damage when it collides directly with something.
It damaged me.
He'll be fine.
Corey?
The
Digga,
wind
wie
burst doesn't only knock
geil!
things back. It
Davon
also
kann man
interacts
auch
with
richtig
certain
viele
blocks.
stemmen.
Yeah,
Und die
like
machen
buttons
damit
and
richtig
trapdoors.
viel Luft überall.
The room becomes part of the fight.
We hope you enjoy these playful combat encounters with the breeze when you stumble across them in the new trial chambers.
It's
geil,
grumpy
das
and
W
cute, but
Update.
also real rude. I'm heading out now.
Whoa!
Nein, das war's schon. Och, Mann.
Really